But it's good to know that that edge, it's not hot at all. Frugal friends, as often happens, Christmas has just absolutely snuck up on us. And although the product that I am reviewing today would be absolutely perfect for Christmas, it will also be great for New Year and any other holiday events, big parties, dinners, gatherings, birthdays, weddings, etc., even just a night in. This product will be good all year long. So let's jump in and check out this warming mat to keep the food at any and all of your celebrations warm, toasty, just the right temperature for your happy consumption. I am really hopeful about this. This just seems like something that's going to be so handy, so convenient at any and all of our family gatherings. Like, I do have a crock pot that is a travel crock pot, and that is so handy, absolutely a lifesaver, game changer. But I think this is going to be even more handy because you won't need to have cooked in the crock pot. You see, bring your food, set it on top of this, plugged in, keep your food warm. That's what I'm thinking. Let's find out. A lovely cord, and it does appear to be quite long, which I am always happy about, and also the fact that it is not a USB. We have this dust bag. Oh, it looks kind of like a shower mat, to be honest, just at first glance. Multifunctional electric heating tray. Shows us some different sample foods, which are also shown on the mat itself. We've got this Velcro to hold it in place. Okay, so my shower mat idea must be the bottom. Oh, that's nice. So, okay, I had assumed that it would be lying flat, but it's not. It is, in fact, elevated by those rather scary, but almost like, hey, that could be really relaxing. Shower mat kind of little pokes there. They do elevate it. At this end, we have the power supply plug-in. And we've got some buttons, lock, temperature, on, off, and time. Let me turn this around so we can see what these little warnings are up top. Don't touch. No placemats, no soaking, no roll-up heating. Good to know. Very important to know. What is in here? This cute little baggie. Well, there is a little thank you note. Is a gift? I think so. I think it's a gift. That is adorable. A little hanging washcloth. I wonder if it's specific to this warming tray, like if it needs to be cleaned or wiped off with that specific type of cloth, or if that is just a lovely gift for us. Let me just look through here. Cleaning and maintenance. Pull the source. Do not immerse or flush the machine directly with water to avoid electric shock. Do not use chemical cloth and any corrosive cleaning liquid agents. Do not use abrasive cleaning agents. Do not store in the case of food and water residues. I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean because we do have to store it, and I will likely store it in the kitchen, but I'll make sure that it's dry. After the machine is cooled, oh, I see what they're saying. Okay, don't store it, when it has not properly been cleaned and dried. After the machine is cooled, soak the soft cloth with neutral detergent, wring out the water, wipe off the surface. So yes, it is a lovely little gift, but I do think also that it is meant to be used with this product specifically. I do appreciate that it came with this extra little bit of Velcro that could absolutely come in handy. It is very thick. It feels incredibly durable, well made. I have no quality issue concerns, and just as the silly woman that I am, I really enjoy the little clip art pictures on here. I know that is absolutely not important at all, but it's just that little zzz of magic that I appreciate. I do also want to note that it has these little corner markings for the outer limits of where you can put the food. We're gonna plug this in. Let's see how it goes. We are plugged in, ready to go. Let's turn it on, and it is immediately at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's set a timer. I guess 4 minutes. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay. Well, that's good. I was just wondering, how do I increase the time? Well, you just push the time button again. Okay. And I guess we'll lock it. Did that work? I don't know if that worked. I guess so, because now it is back to the temperature and then also showing the timer. So I want to discuss a couple of issues of concern. Not big deal, just things to be aware of and to think about. Where it does say not to touch the mat once it has warmed up, and I can already feel it starting to warm, you'll want to be careful of children and animals, your pets. Now, in a serving situation, will that become an issue if it's like family buffet style? Yes, I could see that being a concern. And you'll need to balance that out with the idea of the convenience and usefulness of the mat. Also be aware that you're going to have to do a little bit of extra duty in keeping everyone away from it that might accidentally or out of curiosity want to, come and explore. So let's just be aware of that, myself included, because I do want to bring this to my family's Christmas Eve celebration, and I am thinking about that and being just the tiniest bit concerned, although there aren't going to be any small children there, so I'm not terribly worried. But if this had been a few years ago and there were a lot more of the younger cousins in attendance, that would be something we would want to have to make sure everyone was aware of and watched out for. Now, it feels like the heat is starting to radiate. Oh, that is quick. Oh my goodness. It already is coming all the way across. It's warmer at this end. I will note that. And what I'm interested to see is if that heat will distribute evenly across the mat. And of course, obviously the heat is being generated at this end, and you can already feel it up here. My goodness, you can feel it up here. So you're going to want to do some practice runs before the big meal, the big event, to make sure you have it at the right temperature setting for whatever, particular food item you are keeping warm. But it really, that works quick. That works really quick. Yeah, definitely still warmer at this end. I am going to wait till we're towards the end of our timer. We're at just under 8 minutes. And at that point, I will check back in and let's see if it has gotten warmer over here and kind of evenly distributed that heat. So it has only been another minute or two and it is already evenly heated. How about that? Now, I will say it's just the tiniest bit warmer, like right here at the heat source. But as far as like across the rest of it, inside of the markings, they're there for a reason. It really is evenly distributing the heat. I am so excited about this warming mat. It does not take up a lot of space. It is going to come in so handy. Please do stay tuned for a follow-up after my family's Christmas Eve extravaganza. But this, I want to point out, even with all of my holly jolly festiveness, this is not just something for the holiday season only. This is all year long for all of your individual gathering, events, socializing, feasting needs. This is going to come in handy, even if it's just waiting for your special someone to get home and keeping their plate warm. This is going to do that job and do it well and be just really handy. It's got little thingies on the bottom. I know, I get excited about the silliest things. I will also note that as I unwisely went and touched this, hey, this alleviates a concern. How do they do it? How do they do that? The edges are not hot. Over here, it's quite warm. Not scalding or anything. I have it 140. But the edges, they're not hot. That absolutely helps. That absolutely alleviates a lot of that concern about little kids and pets. Now, obviously, you don't want them jumping on here or coming and grabbing, but it's good to know that that edge, it's not hot at all. That is fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this product review. Please be sure to click the link in the video description, that's down there, to get the best possible price on this particularly fabulous warming mat. Have a beautiful day, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and everything else. We'll see you all real soon.